How to post on Beehiiv. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small arrow pointing right. Click on that arrow and a menu will pop up. From that menu, click on Start Writing. Now you're in the writing area. This is where you'll create your newsletter. You can type out your content, add images, format the text, and make everything look nice and neat. Take your time to make sure everything looks great. When you're done writing, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Schedule. Click on that. After clicking Schedule, you'll have two options. Schedule, if you want to publish your post at a later time. Click on this and set the date and time. Publish now, if you want to publish your post right away. Click on this option. For now, let's say you want to publish it immediately. So, click on Publish Now. Before your post goes live, Beehiiv will ask you to review everything. Click on Review. This is your chance to make sure there are no typos or mistakes. If everything looks good, click on Publish Now one more time. Congratulations! Your post is now live on Beehiiv, and your subscribers can read it. And that's how you post on Beehiiv. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.